to page Mantin Minjay Arise. I am Sairong. Today we will continue to learn lesson 5 about Noah. In this video we will learn 4 words together. Number 1, rain. Rain. Spell R-A-I-N. Rain. Example, today is raining. Today is raining. Number 2, fall. Fall. Spell F-A-L-L. Fall. Example, the rain fall from the sky. The rain fall from the sky. Number 3, water. Water. Spell W-A-T-E-R. Water. Example, I drink water when I thirsty. I drink water when I thirsty. Number 4, worry. Worry. Spell W-O-R-R-Y. Example, I worry about my exam. I worry about my exam. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make a sentence by using the 4 words that we've learned and leave it in the comment so that we can have check. If you do it right, we will give a thumb up. If not, we will have correct. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down below. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.